Hi, my name is Boudhayan Gupta. I'm from Kolkata and I'm an ex-NU student. I started programming in the 4th grade, and when the time came to choose my university, I chose NU. While at NIIT University, I started contributing to the KDE open source software project and mentored at Google Summer of Code. I attended conferences in Berlin and San Francisco while working towards a Bachelor of Technology degree in Computer Science and Engineering. Eventually, I moved to Germany as I did my industry practice, which is the 6-month internship that's compulsory as part of the Bachelor of Technology course at a company called EGIM in Munich. I've stayed on ever since in Munich, working in embedded systems at various companies. Studying at NU has been a really unique experience for me, mainly for 3 reasons. First is the width of knowledge, and it's not knowledge from just classes, but there's always some or the other talks by invited members from the industry or from academia happening. There's always activities going on that's not just academics, but also about social projects and experiments, even things like celebrating Water Week, for example. So it develops an all-round base of knowledge that's very wide. Secondly, one of the things that have given me a very positive experience about NU is the personal touch and care that's shown by that's shown by the faculty and the leadership team. In fact, I've been to many conferences which required, for example, for example, the university to grant me special leaves for attending these conferences, take exams at times, conduct makeup exams specifically for me, and NU has been very accommodating in my development while keeping my activities and academics, trying to do my activities and academics in parallel. And in fact, the personal touch and care is so much that I still keep in touch even after graduating with certain faculty members and even my admissions counselor. And finally, and probably this is the most important thing that one of NU's core tenets is seamlessness, and and it's not just a marketing gimmick, because NU will, when you're doing a typical course at NU, you're not going to only be studying about computer science and engineering. If you're doing a CSE course, that is, you're not only going to be studying about computer science and engineering, but also basic science, entrepreneurship, professional ethics and values. And what these things do is that they help build context. And it's very important that you don't develop tunnel vision just by studying about engineering and not knowing in what social context you want to implement this. When you're doing your engineering courses, you might think that you might learn how to, for example, build a system to sell prescription drugs online, and then you're doing courses like Community Connect, where you go to the villages and then you realize that they have no way of accessing the internet using broadband the way that we are used to. So how do you get that product into their hands? So this seamlessness it provides a lot of context to the technical education that you're having, and that is the one single thing that has enabled me to be where I am today. Thanks, NU.